Creating a wallet in Cardano can be done in a number of different ways. In this video, we'll cover how to create a wallet and delegate to a stake pool using Eternl, one of the most widely adopted wallet softwares and my personal favorite. Eternl is a light wallet which runs as a browser extension. Being a light wallet means it doesn't require a local copy of the blockchain in order to function, making it a much simpler option compared to full node wallets, as it requires minimal resources to operate. Let's get started by learning how to install Eternl. To install Eternl as a Chrome extension, we visit the Chrome Web Store and search for Eternl. Click on the extension and then click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension on the confirm box, and after a few seconds, it should be installed and ready to go. To make sure the icon is always visible and easy to get to, click the Extensions option and then the pen icon. To open the wallet, simply click this icon here at the top. This will open Eternl on a new tab. Since this is the first time we're using the wallet, let's go ahead and create a new wallet. To create a new wallet, click Add Wallet on the top left-hand side. Then click Create Wallet. Give the wallet a name and set a spending password. We'll be prompted to enter this password every time Eternl needs access to our private keys in order to sign transactions. As with all passwords, it's recommended to keep this safe. However, if we happen to forget it, we can always set a new spending password upon restoring the wallet. Next, we have the option to configure the number of accounts that this wallet will manage. For this example, we'll keep it simple and leave it as 1. Click Save, and we're taken to the next step. This is the most important step when creating a new crypto wallet: saving the recovery phrase.
Now listen to me very carefully.
As we'll see on the next step, the recovery phrase is a list of 24 words, and whoever has access to these words has complete control over every address and every asset in our wallet. For this reason, it is crucial that these words are stored in a highly secure environment. Should we need to restore our wallet, perhaps using another software wallet, this is the list of words which we'll need to use. Click the confirmation box and click Continue. Take note of this list of words and keep them in a safe place. Once you're done writing these words down, click the checkbox, click Continue, and type back the list of words. They should be typed in the exact same order they were displayed. Click the confirmation one more time and click the Continue button. Wait a few seconds and our new Cardano wallet should be created. Since we've just created the wallet, there are no funds yet. Let's go ahead and learn how to fund this wallet. In order to fund this wallet, we'll need to transfer ADA to it. This video will not cover how to purchase ADA, but using a crypto exchange is often the most common way to do it. We'll skip this portion and assume there's ADA on some exchange, which we now want to transfer over to this new wallet. Click on the Receive tab. This will display a valid address we can use to receive ADA. Although it's fairly safe to share this address, we don't want it exposed more than it needs to be, since all transactions are publicly available in the blockchain. Click on the address and it will be copied to the clipboard. This is the address that should be used as the destination address when transferring ADA from the exchange into this wallet. In other words, this is the address that someone would use to send ADA to this wallet. Once the transaction is submitted on their end, head over to the Transactions tab and wait a few moments. Depending on how busy the network is, this might take a minute or two. Once the transaction is detected by Eternl, it will show up on our account transaction history and the new balance will be reflected. Our wallet is now funded and we're ready to take the next step. Let's learn how to delegate our ADA to a stake pool. To delegate to a stake pool using Eternl, we first click on the Staking tab. Using the filter input, we can search using either the name of the stake pool or its ticker. Once the pool we want to delegate to is displayed, we click on the Delegate button. Delegating to a pool involves submitting a transaction signed by our private key. Remember, in order for Eternl to access our private key, it will prompt us for that spending password. Type the password and click the Sign button. We wait a few moments while the signed transaction is submitted to the network. The total cost of this delegation transaction is displayed here on the right, 2.17 ADA. This amount includes the transaction fee and a deposit fee. A transaction fee is charged for every transaction submitted to the network. The amount of this fee varies according to the size of the transaction. In this case, we're paying around 0.17 ADA. The deposit fee is a one-time fee paid to register our stake address in the network, which is currently set at 2 ADA. Once the pending transaction is confirmed, we'll see the balance updated. Click on the Account tab and scroll down to the bottom. Notice how we can now see the details of our delegation. After delegating to a stake pool, it takes 2 epochs for the process to complete and for the delegation to kick in. 1 more epoch for the stake to become active, and 1 more epoch for the rewards to be calculated and distributed if the selected pool is able to mint blocks. 1 epoch is a period of 5 days, so it might take up to 20 days or 4 epochs for our wallet to start to receive rewards. And with that, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, drop us a line in the comment section below. We would greatly appreciate it if you delegated your ADA to Jungle Stake Pool to support our work and help more people work with Cardano.